Hello everyone, I'm here again with another scam alert. In today's video, I'm going to analyze Meter.com website, and apart from that, I'll also explain Meter is a scam or legit. So let's take a look. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is offering 70% off on various products. The prices are affordable. Basically, this website is offering bras, women's accessories, leggings at an affordable rates. You can simply check the product list by visiting the menu option. And let's take a look at the entire information of this website. Privacy policy. So privacy policy signifies legitimacy of a website. If you want to read this information, you can read for your knowledge and convenience. And let's take a look at the at the returns and exchanges. So this is the refund policy. The company's return policy is effective for 30 days since receiving your product. And here you can also find an email address, which is support@meter.com. So you'll also get information about responsibility, return exchange process, exchange request instructions, and the entire procedure of refund. So you can read the entire information anytime. And let's take a look at the contact us information, because contact page information defines the legitimacy of a website. So here you will find an address, official address, and email as well. But guys, before making any online purchase, you need to check the address on the internet. So you'll find that this address is not legit. This is a scam. And when we talk about the domain creation date of this website, so this domain name was created only 6 months ago. This means this is a young website. And guys, a shopping website created less than 4 months ago is too new and potentially suspicious. So remember this point, because we may have not enough details to judge this website. And let's take a look at the shipping and handling. So the shipping duration is 5 to 10 business days to process, and if you need it urgently or have another issue, you can get help from the support team by mailing at the given email address. You can read the column of shipping policy here for various countries as well. So guys, this website is totally new and may not have too much traffic. So we can't say this website is legit. And when we talk about the website reviews are missing on the website. And according to the study and research, we found some negative reviews about the website. Some customers have faced late delivery problem as well as the response problem. So Meter.com is a scam, and if you are looking to buy any products online, then you need to check the website URL first, and always check whether the website is padlocked with HTTPS or not. And go for website reviews, because website reviews shows legitimacy of a website. So if you had a bad experience with this website, you can share your experience in the comments, because it will give benefit to other customers as well in future. And if you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and I'll get back to you with more scam alerts. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video.